Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 deadliest weather events in history. From catastrophic floods to devastating cyclones, we'll explore the natural disasters that have claimed countless lives and reshaped communities worldwide. Each event not only demonstrates nature's immense power but also highlights the profound impact that weather can have on humanity. Join us as we delve into the stories behind these tragic occurrences and their devastating consequences. 1. The 1931 China floods. The 1931 China floods stand as a stark reminder of nature's formidable power, with fatalities estimated between 1 million to 4 million people. This catastrophic series of floods was precipitated by a combination of factors, including snowmelt, incessant rain, and inadequate river management. The Yangtze, Yellow, and Huai rivers were the primary regions affected, transforming vast areas into watery graveyards. These floods are not only the deadliest weather-related disaster in human history but also a testament to how human oversight can exacerbate natural calamities. At the time, China's infrastructure was ill-equipped to handle such a deluge, leading to widespread destruction and loss of life. The floods also resulted in crop failures and food shortages, further compounding the tragedy. This event highlights the importance of effective planning and infrastructure in mitigating the impacts of natural disasters. 2. The 1970 Bola cyclone. The 1970 Bola cyclone wreaked havoc in East Pakistan, now known as Bangladesh, and the West Bengal region of India, claiming around 500,000 lives. As the deadliest tropical cyclone on record, it unleashed high winds and a massive storm surge that overwhelmed coastal defenses. The cyclone struck with little warning, catching many off guard and leading to widespread devastation. Entire villages were washed away, and the lack of effective communication systems exacerbated the human toll. The aftermath saw immense suffering, with survivors grappling with the loss of loved ones and the destruction of their homes. This tragic event underscored the need for improved disaster preparedness and response mechanisms in cyclone-prone regions. Lessons learned from the Bola cyclone have since informed disaster management strategies worldwide. 3. The 1556 Shaanxi earthquake, with associated weather. In 1556, the Shaanxi region of China faced one of the deadliest earthquakes in history, with approximately 830,000 fatalities. While the earthquake itself was the primary cause of destruction, severe weather and subsequent flooding contributed significantly to the death toll. The combination of these natural disasters created a perfect storm of devastation, leaving the region in ruins. Many homes, constructed from lowest soil, were unable to withstand the tremors and collapsed, burying countless people beneath the rubble. The flooding that followed further hampered rescue and recovery efforts, compounding the tragedy. This event serves as a poignant reminder of how interconnected natural disasters can amplify their destructive potential. The Shaanxi earthquake remains etched in history as a lesson in the unpredictable force of nature. 4. The 1991 Bangladesh cyclone. The 1991 Bangladesh cyclone was another devastating storm that ravaged the nation, resulting in around 140,000 deaths. This cyclone brought with it high winds, storm surges, and extensive flooding, overwhelming coastal defenses and causing widespread devastation. The storm's ferocity left little time for evacuation, trapping many in its path. In the aftermath, communities were left grappling with the immense human and infrastructural loss. The cyclone underscored the vulnerability of low-lying coastal regions to such weather events. In response, Bangladesh has since invested in better early warning systems and cyclone shelters, which have significantly improved their resilience against future cyclones. The 1991 cyclone serves as a stark reminder of the need for continuous improvement in disaster preparedness. 5. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. On December 26, 2004, a massive undersea earthquake triggered a tsunami that devastated the Indian Ocean region, resulting in over 230,000 fatalities. While the earthquake itself was the primary catalyst, the subsequent tsunami wreaked havoc across 14 countries. The colossal waves swept away entire communities, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The sheer scale of the disaster overwhelmed local resources, leading to one of the largest international humanitarian relief efforts in history. The event exposed vulnerabilities in disaster response and highlighted the importance of tsunami early warning systems. In the years since, many affected countries have made significant strides in improving their disaster preparedness. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami remains a poignant reminder of the devastating power of nature. 6. The 2010 Pakistan floods. The 2010 Pakistan floods were a catastrophic event that affected over 20 million people, resulting in the loss of more than 1,700 lives. Unusually heavy monsoon rains led to the flooding, submerging large parts of the country and causing massive destruction. The inundation of agricultural lands resulted in severe food shortages, compounding the human suffering. Infrastructure, including roads and bridges, was severely damaged, hampering relief efforts. This disaster highlighted the pressing need for improved flood management and infrastructure resilience in Pakistan. The floods also underscored the broader impacts of climate change, as such extreme weather events become more frequent. The 2010 Pakistan floods serve as a sobering reminder of the challenges posed by nature and the urgent need for effective mitigation strategies. 7. The 1987 Bangladesh floods. In 1987, Bangladesh experienced severe flooding that claimed the lives of an estimated 1,000 to 1,500 people. A combination of heavy monsoon rains and the overflow of major rivers led to widespread devastation. The floods displaced millions of people, leaving them homeless and without access to basic necessities. Crops were destroyed, leading to significant food shortages and economic hardship. The disaster underscored the vulnerability of Bangladesh to monsoon-related flooding and the need for robust flood management strategies. In response, the country has since invested in flood defenses and early warning systems. The 1987 floods highlight the ongoing challenges faced by countries in managing the impacts of natural disasters. 8. The 1900 Galveston hurricane. The 1900 Galveston hurricane remains one of the deadliest hurricanes in U.S. history, with fatalities estimated between 8,000 to 12,000 people. This Category 4 storm struck Galveston, Texas, with a massive storm surge that overwhelmed the city. The hurricane's destructive power was compounded by the lack of adequate warning systems at the time. As the storm approached, many residents were unaware of the impending danger, leading to a high death toll. The aftermath saw widespread destruction, with much of the city reduced to rubble. The Galveston hurricane prompted significant advancements in meteorological science and hurricane preparedness in the United States. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the importance of timely warnings and effective evacuation plans. 9. The 1999 Odisha cyclone. The 1999 Odisha cyclone, also known as the supercyclone, hit the Indian state of Odisha with devastating force, resulting in over 10,000 fatalities. With winds reaching up to 260 kilometers per hour, 161 miles per hour, the cyclone caused widespread destruction, flattening homes and uprooting trees. The storm surge inundated coastal areas, leading to significant loss of life and property. The cyclone's impact was exacerbated by the lack of adequate preparedness and response mechanisms at the time. In the aftermath, the Indian government took steps to improve cyclone forecasting and establish better evacuation protocols. The 1999 Odisha cyclone serves as a grim reminder of the destructive potential of such natural disasters and the importance of effective disaster management strategies. 10. The 2013 European heatwave. The 2013 European heatwave was a severe weather event that claimed around 70,000 lives across the continent. Record high temperatures were recorded in several countries, leading to widespread wildfires, crop failures, and heat-related deaths. The elderly and vulnerable populations were particularly affected, highlighting the need for effective heatwave management strategies. The heatwave also raised awareness of the broader impacts of climate change, as such extreme weather events become more frequent. Governments across Europe have since implemented measures to mitigate the effects of heatwaves, including public health campaigns and infrastructure improvements. The 2013 European heatwave stands as a reminder of the challenges posed by changing climate patterns and the importance of proactive adaptation measures.